The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money, money, money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money, 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 money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grandy.
But in terms of our work here, it is infinitely better than what was initially proposed by the administration. And I credit our chairman, Richie Neal, for helping us navigate all of these places. The unity of our caucus on specific priorities in order to get the job done.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. She's talking about the trade agreement between the United States, Canada, and Mexico. She had nothing to do with it. These guys had nothing to do with it. This is all Trump's work. Hate him, love him, it's his work. You know, I wish more people would become independents instead of Republicans or Democrats. I hate parties. Parties are a terrible thing because it's like choosing a ball team. Well, that's okay because that's a sport. The economy is not a sport. That's our lives. To have two parties, and you take the Republicans, they're going to take care of the very, very rich, and you're going to take care, and the Democrats, they take care of Wall Street. Oh, wait a minute. I thought they're supposed to take care of all the poor, help them out. Are you kidding me? That's been a fallacy for so long that they're supposed to take care of the poor. They never took care of the poor. Never. But let's move on from that. It just makes me sick that the Pelosi can't even give the president the credit for that. I mean, she is a horrible human being. So they're going to go ahead now, go through with their impeachment. They look stupid. Thank God we have independents, because remember, it's always the independent who's going to decide the election, not the Republicans, not the Democrats, not my team, not your team. Independent people. People, see, when you're independent, you're an independent voter, even if you hate Trump, you're going to think different. What did he achieve? That's what you look at. You look at facts. What's the fact? What's the bottom line? How's he affecting me? How's he affecting my children? How's he affecting the country? When you're a Democrat, oh no, I just hate him. I just hate him. I don't care if the country goes down. I don't care if we go into a depression. Bill Maher says, look, let's all hope for a recession. Now, I believe recessions are good to a point because you need recessions. In fact, the reason why we are where we are today is because we don't let recessions happen anymore. In 2008 crash, which the banks caused, and the banks are upside down and insolvent, 5 of our 8 largest banks, Obama, because his family's in the banking business, Baby Bush, because his family's been in the banking business, that's why he saved the banks. We should have let the banks go down, go into a recession. You can come out of a recession within 3 months, 6 months. All it is you just clean up your balance sheets. So we got rid of all the bad banks, took the assets and spread them around 8,000 other banks, 2,000 other insurance companies. They said, we can't take the banks and break them up. There would be a crisis. What do you mean? Nobody would even notice it. But they decided not to do that. And that was a huge mistake, because if we did that, we would have gone into a recession. That means the government would have got rid of a lot of its debt, cleaned up its balance sheet. You would have got rid of your debt. Corporations right now is killing us. People don't understand what's going on. The corporate debt is so huge right now that they're still buying stock, doing stock buybacks. But here's the problem nobody's thinking about. They're not borrowing money now to do stock buybacks. They're using their cash. And that is awful. They got almost $9 trillion in debt, and they only have is an aggregate of $800 billion in cash reserves. So they're using their cash. When they do that, that means you're not going to get a raise. That's right, because when they don't have that cash, the last thing they're going to do is go buy equipment, machinery, so that you can produce more, increase productivity, which increases wages, which increases your standard of living. So here we are, the stock market floundering. And I told you this was going to happen. I warned everybody about the stock market. And nobody believed it. When I told you in October of 2018, that was it. When the market crashed 20%, then went back up 20%. And people don't realize when we had that October crash, okay, that was the end of the 460% bull market rally. And when it went down 20%, nobody understands how it got back up that 20%. It all started with what? The trade agreement. Every day, that's all we would hear.
Well, let me say this. The deal is still close. It's probably even a wee bit closer than when I first made that statement in November. But I will say with... America is working. Middle-income Americans are making more money. Their take-home pay is better than anything we've seen in 20 years.
Larry, you're going to kill this president. If he loses this election, it's because of you. The middle class is doing well. The middle class is, they give us two stories. First, they said, for the first time ever, the low-income folks, the hardworking waitresses, bartenders, chambermaids, the janitors at our schools and hospitals, they're finally making money. Now it's the middle class making money now. No, nobody is making money except the very top. The 1 percentile who, remember, grabbed 85% of that 460% gain in the stock market. The middle class is being destroyed. The biggest problem in our economy is the middle class. It's the middle class, remember, that keeps this economy going. So, and the reason the market has stalled right now is because when you don't have good wages and wages stagnate and inflation starts going up. Did you hear yesterday? They finally admitted inflation went up, but they lied how much. See, they should be raising rates. Remember when they raised rates the year before, the market went down. This year, they cut rates. Yes, the market went up, but it's still not going anywhere. But when you have inflation, you got to kill that inflation immediately. You got to raise those rates. But boy, they're not going to do that. That's going to hurt the top 1 percentile because they need that low. Keep those low rates so I can keep making money. I can keep speculating in the stock market. I can keep giving money to the CEO so they can buy their own shares. It's the middle class, remember, that they always worked in the high-paying sectors of manufacturing, okay, oil, drilling, mining, construction. And our manufacturing construction's gone to hell. When they worked in those sectors, they'd have disposable income. Good disposable income, which means the income you have after you pay your taxes. They'd have enough left to go start a business. And it's that start-up business that gives us 70% of our jobs. That's what gives us a strong economy. They're gone. That's being wiped out. We've never had so few start-up jobs as we have in the last 5 years. And it shows it, because in the last 5 years, remember, the stock market was going up 50%, or in the last 10 years, 50%, and the economy's going down 10%. I mean, this is just insane, telling us how great this economy is. It's not. Hey, I'll be right back with some more great information in stocks.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Want to make profits in the stock market? philsgang.com is running its best promotion ever. For the holiday season, Phil's Gang is giving you the Working Investor Program free for 10 days. That's right. Get the Phil's Gang membership and the MV2 color-coded chart free for a 10-day trial. Phil's Gang makes it easy for you to invest long-term in the stock market. The MV2 color-coded chart is simple to read and simple to understand. It shows you money moving in and money moving out with color-coded technology. The Phil's Gang membership teaches you how to read the MV2 chart with the Team Traders Education Program. If you do not have time to invest in the education program, then you simply follow the recommendations Phil's Gang gives you on a daily basis. At 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, there is a Working Investor video you watch that gives you all the information that you need to be successful in your investments. Go to philsgang.com and click on Get Started. Then choose the Working Investor Program for your 10-day free trial. For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
At St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, we're fighting against childhood cancer every day. At the heart of this battle are our donors.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here, and it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from, all that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
Want to make profits in the stock market? philsgang.com is running its best promotion ever. For the holiday season, Phil's Gang is giving you the Working Investor Program free for 10 days. That's right. Get the Phil's Gang membership and the MV2 color-coded chart free for a 10-day trial. Go to philsgang.com and click on Get Started. Then choose the Working Investor Program for your 10-day free trial. For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call. 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang Max Vest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang Max Vest 1000 stock charts seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang Max Vest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts.
Tell you every time I'm on the air, join my gang. Try it. Try it for 30 days. AT&T, we got a 3% profit so far in May. Our Goldman Sachs are up 6%. Our Intel, we have a profit of 16% shorting it. Caterpillar, we're up 11% shorting it. And Schlumberger, we're up 18% because we shorted it. That's how you make money in this game.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Show. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Then go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. Now, here's Phil.
Looking for a home in Southwest Florida? Then you'll need a real estate agent. Jason Grandy of RE/MAX Alliance Group, a licensed realtor for more than 20 years, he has navigated numerous real estate market cycles, helping clients through every challenge. And of course, you'll need a mortgage. Why not get a mortgage hassle-free? And to do that, you'll need CashCallMortgage.com. Their team makes it painless to buy or refinance your next property. Give them both a call. Jason Grandy, RE/MAX Associate, 941-954-5454, and CashCallMortgage.com, 866-708-5626. Brought to you by Stock Corner.
And I recommend them both highly because I used both of them. Okay. So here we are. They're still fighting. They want to keep impeaching the president. The president can't get the health care. That's what we need. We got to get health care. Okay? Got to get it pulled back. We got to get rid of Obamacare or fix it. That's the most important thing we can do in this country. And these idiots, Shifty Shift, is sitting there and just all they're focusing on is, I hate Trump. Well, what they're saying is they hate America because they're not helping you or me. If you're a Democrat, that's fine. And you don't care that it's amazing. Like I said the other day, your health care bill comes in at the end of the month, you got to pay your premium. Or you're working for somebody, you still got to pay, you got to participate. And it keeps going up, and you go, oh, no, that's okay. Hey, health providers, go ahead. You keep on charging me more and more every month. It's okay, because I hate that president, and I need Schiff to go after him. I hate Trump so much. If you have to double my premiums, it's okay, because I hate Trump. And that's what people are saying. Isn't that stupid? It's idiotic. It's unbelievable. But anyways, you and I got to continue to make money. We got retirement. You got to take care of your kids. You got to build wealth. And there's the problem right now. The building the wealth, you're not going to build wealth. They can lie all they want. The fake business news media, they can lie every day how great the economy is, how great wages are, how great everything is. Let them lie. It's not true. Until you get health care resolved, until you get rid of taxes on our wages. I mean, it is so cruel that you have to work all week, you go get your check, and they're pulling out this labor. They tax you on your labor. Isn't that ridiculous? They got to get rid of the tax on labor. They got to fix. Imagine if they just did those two things. And you could walk, instead of, if they take out of your pay every week, let's say $100, $200, imagine if you had that in your pocket and you could go put it in the stock market, whatever you want to do. Imagine if you could do that. And imagine if healthcare costs cut in half. Wow. Our economy, our GDP growth, that's now been since 1955, has not been able to get to a 3% GDP growth. And you got to have a 3% GDP growth to get this economy moving. You got to have a GDP growth, because if you don't have that at 3%, that means you can't have a constant employment number, new jobs every month. You get up to about 275, 300,000. That's what you got to average. And you get up to 3% GDP. Right now, we're really averaging about 122,000, 128,000 a month. That's the real number. But you got to get up to about 285. And the only way you get there is you got to have a 3% growth. But you can't get a 3% growth when the companies aren't providing new machinery and new equipment, new technology for their employees so they can produce more. It's all about productivity. So I think I have a couple stocks I've been working on. I sure would love to have you join my gang. I'm going to continue my free offer up to Christmas for 10 days. And I just like to introduce you to charting, because charting's everything, because it gets rid of the BS. When you get these people that come on, like Varney and these guys on CNBC and all of them, Kramer, they all got the hot stock. Nobody's got the hot stock. No such thing as the hot stock. Those days are gone. When they introduced technology to Wall Street, and now they front load everything, the big boys control the price of stocks. And as I said, stocks don't go up anymore based on do they make profits. I mean, think about it. Our earnings are the worst ever. They're going down. And the stock market going up. Now, it is stalling here, and we're going to definitely have a hell of a crash. And this crash can come before the election, which would be awful, because then we'll have a socialist in office, a communist. So let's hope that doesn't happen. But the stock market, if you just follow the money into a stock, if you're going to buy GE stock, all you need to know are the big players. They're called market makers. They make the market. What does that mean? That means they take their money and they buy. And these are big guys, the big insurance companies, the big pension funds, the biggest banks, the biggest hedge Wall Street guys. All you want to do is if they're buying GE, you want to buy GE. You don't have to know anything about the company. You don't have to know what the company does. You don't. Half the companies I buy, I don't even know what they do. All I want to do is make sure they're trading 1 million shares a day. So it's got enough volume I can get in and out. And if I see money going into one of these, I don't know what it is. It could be a graveyard. I have no idea. I could care less. Now, I know the S&P 500 companies. I know all those. But I'm just saying, you don't need to know all the information on a company to make a decision. The only information you need to know, okay, am I going to buy Caterpillar? You watch the money. And I've been in this business over 40 years. Okay? And I've been on this earth for 73 years. And I can tell you one thing I've learned. When stocks go up now, it's all on stories. Stories. And if the boys like the story, they're going to put money into the stock, into the market. And the stock goes up. They don't like the story, they pull their money out. That's where you have to be. That you can target, is the money going in and money going out. That's what we do with my software. And for 10 days, you can have it free and a gang membership. Do it now. philsgang.com, and help the kids at St. Jude if you do make money.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Want to make profits in the stock market? philsgang.com is running its best promotion ever. For the holiday season, Phil's Gang is giving you the Working Investor Program free for 10 days. That's right. Get the Phil's Gang membership and the MV2 color-coded chart free for a 10-day trial. Phil's Gang makes it easy for you to invest long-term in the stock market. The MV2 color-coded chart is simple to read and simple to understand. It shows you money moving in and money moving out with color-coded technology. The Phil's Gang membership teaches you how to read the MV2 chart with the Team Traders Education Program. If you do not have time to invest in the education program, then you simply follow the recommendations Phil's Gang gives you on a daily basis. At 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, there is a Working Investor video you watch that gives you all the information that you need to be successful in your investments. Go to philsgang.com and click on Get Started. Then choose the Working Investor Program for your 10-day free trial. For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
We make sure our gang members are positioned to sell the market short with the same ease as going long. So you join the gang for $39.95, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. You decide when you join the gang of our membership group what you want to follow. So let's say you decide you want to start following gold. Okay, so let's say you're going to follow AU. And by the way, we started to buy AU on May 30th. We're up 89%. We're there every day to tell our members what to do. At 2 o'clock, there's the video. Or if you want to be aggressive and you want to be a real trader, just come to my class every day from 9:30 to 11. That's your choice. If you get confused, you get a hold of us. You have your own personal coach, for God's sakes. And if you do exactly what we tell you in that video every day, you'll be making money consistent.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264.
Want to make profits in the stock market? philsgang.com is running its best promotion ever. For the holiday season, Phil's Gang is giving you the Working Investor Program free for 10 days. That's right. Get the Phil's Gang membership and the MV2 color-coded chart free for a 10-day trial. Go to philsgang.com and click on Get Started. Then choose the Working Investor Program for your 10-day free trial. For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call. 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. What if you could have an in-depth understanding of the stock market just like the pros? Well, thanks to Phil Grandy and philsgang.com, you can. philsgang.com offers comprehensive, up-to-date market information designed to help you understand and anticipate market behavior. With philsgang.com, you'll build your investing confidence even through down cycles and periods of uncertainty. Go to philsgang.com. philsgang.com today. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
The snow is falling down.
Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Show. Learn, invest, and make profits with philsgang.com and give us a call, 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
There is no substance to their continued delay. They've cost the economy billions of dollars already by delaying as long as they have.
All right, Wilbur Ross talking about China. Unbelievable. China's not going to do a deal, gang. They're not going to do a deal. The one thing they will never give up is transfers. They have a division, an army division that does nothing but sit in front of computers and steal our technology. That's how they survive. Here's what I'm afraid of. Trump is going to sign an agreement, and it's going to be a bad agreement because he's got to win the next election. He's scared to death. And remember, he's keep trying to get those rates lower and lower, even when inflation's going up, which is a terrible thing to do. But he's stuck now because the stock buybacks are cutting way back now. Because they're starting to buy their stock back with their cash because their debt, the corporation debt, are so huge that they don't want to go out and put more on their balance sheet. They don't want to be borrowing more because if the economy, remember, you know what's really interesting about all these stock buybacks that brought the market up 460%? You know what they did to these companies? They destroyed them. Their stocks of companies like at $80 are worth about $20. Yes. We've got in the S&P 500 almost 3/4 of the companies. The stock valuations are about 40% higher than they should be. 40%. That means you're going to have a crash that is going to be bigger than any crash in history. Now, most people don't even know what I'm talking about. But think about this. Doesn't it make sense? If a stock market goes up 400, that doesn't happen every year. 3 times in history. The other 2 times they went up because of good news, because they had good earnings and the economy was growing. So the last 2 times we got close to 400%. One time was 400, a little more than 400%. The other time was like 380. And both those times, the reason is because of earnings growth. The old-fashioned way, earnings growth, sales, creativity, market share, earnings growth. Our earnings are going down, and our stock market's going up. That's called a bubble. The economy is different from the stock market. The economy is earnings and growth. Combine those two. That's the economy. We're tanking. So you and I, to keep making money in the market, what we're going to do is just keep following those companies, the best companies. Not that I perceive as the best, but the biggest pension fund in California. Citibank, what they perceive as which one is the best company. J.P. Morgan, those crooks, which one is the best company? When you see J.P. Morgan investing in a company, doesn't it make sense? You should be looking at that instead of what Jim Cramer tells you by, because he knows the CEO and he was on my show and I really like him and he's good and the company's going to do this, company's going to do that. And I know the color of the wallpaper in the bathroom and I know everything about the company. I know the CEO, I know his kids, I know his wife. Blah, 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 blah. Are you nuts? Make it simple. And that's what we do here at Phil's Gang. You know, people don't believe this. We follow the same 5 stocks for 3 years. The same 5 stocks we've been following. People don't get that because you know why? They think, oh, I got to go find hot stocks. How can he stay with the same ones? I got to go find the hottest stocks. No. You take 5 of the most popular stocks, and when money goes in those 5 stocks, I'm going to be right there. If all I'm doing is looking at 5 of the most popular stocks, I just got to catch when the money's going in, but more important, when the money is coming out. Not only do I protect my profits when I take the money out, but I switch my position so when it goes down, we're making money. And you haven't got to do anything in that switch of a position. We do everything for you. We show you. We tell you. Every day at 2 o'clock, we post a video on each one of our stocks, like Starbucks. Gee, Starbucks, I don't know, man. I've been going to Starbucks right now. The one across from my office here in my home. They're getting worse and worse. And they don't open their stores on time. They're letting all the homeless come in now. It's unbelievable. I live right downtown now in Sarasota in a condominium. And you go there in the morning, they've lost all. There's about 5 complexes, condos here. Nobody goes over there anymore. I go over there every morning, and it's all homeless. They lost all of their business. The morning trade that comes in, early morning, gone. And they let the homeless come in with dirty cups. Here's the liberals that run Starbucks. You stand behind, all of a sudden a homeless guy will come in, and their rule is, as long as they bring me a Starbucks cup, I'll give them free coffee. So they go through the trash, and they find a Starbucks cup. They bring the filthy cup in. And the guy behind the bar there, right, he takes that filthy cup and fills it with coffee, puts the cup down where my cup's going to be, and they get the water free water. That's okay. I get that. There's no problem. But they get free coffee and free water. So they lost that business. I mean, this is unbelievable. And now the rule is that the homeless don't have to go to the library anymore to use the bathroom to do their thing and wash up. They can go to Starbucks. Yeah, Starbucks allows them to come into their stores, use the bathroom to whatever they do. Okay? Isn't that sad? And the stock's been going down. And we're going to take advantage of that stock. Because what happened was when remember the market went down the other day, 400 points? Starbucks didn't go down. We think most of the selling is out of Starbucks. Now, someone's going to say, well, I'm just going to buy. I'm not going to join Phil's gang. You don't have to. Just join me for 10 days. It's free. I'm not charging you. I remember a lot of people, would before I gave the 10-day free, they would listen on radio. I'd say something like this by Starbucks. I'm not going to go join Phil's gang. I'm going to buy Starbucks on my own. And then they lose money in Starbucks, and I read somewhere, yeah, I filed Phil's gang, and it was terrible. I lost money. But they never say, well, I never joined them. I just heard him talk about a stock on the radio, and I was a jerk. Because I was a gang member, I didn't know when to put money in, take money out, when to add to my position. Well, he said Starbucks. I decided just to buy a stock. Unbelievable. Isn't it stupid? So if you want to just, get away from all this nonsense on Wall Street, and you poor folks with 401ks, are you so screwed? You don't even know it. You have no clue. They just took another fresh survey 2 months ago. I think it was 78% of the people have no idea. They don't think they're paying fees. They don't think they're paying. 78, wait a minute, let me look at the number. 71.8%. 71.8% believe there's no fees. No fees. And the fees are brutal. You're going to lose 60% of your savings goes to fees. And when you hear this, I only charge you 1%. But they don't tell you about the other, sometimes 2%, but more often 2%, but a lot of times 3%. 2%, you lose 60% of your money. Crazy. So all I'm asking you to do is join my gang. I'm going to help you the next 10 days. And then once you get your free membership and you get the free color-coded chart, and you follow our stocks with our video, do exactly what we say, I would say for those 10 days, just do it on paper. If you decide to continue, then you can start making some money. And all I ask is please remember St. Jude when you're making money. But this works because you don't listen to the noise, you follow the money. Doesn't that make sense? Hey, I'll be right back after this break.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com.
Want to make profits in the stock market? philsgang.com is running its best promotion ever. For the holiday season, Phil's Gang is giving you the Working Investor Program free for 10 days. That's right. Get the Phil's Gang membership and the MV2 color-coded chart free for a 10-day trial. Go to philsgang.com and click on Get Started. Then choose the Working Investor Program for your 10-day free trial. For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call. 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
Remember, when this market crashed in 2009, it should have never crashed because the chairperson of these two committees, their job was to protect consumers, protect our investments, and they're supposed to ensure that our investments are being monitored. Where were they in 2009 and 2008? They weren't anywhere because they don't do that. They take care of themselves. They protect themselves. They become richer. So you can't depend on these crooks in Congress. The stock market is a great place to be, but you just got to know this is a different market than your grandfather's market. So why don't you, for 30 days, join my gang, 877-600-GANG, try it for 30 days, $39.95. Follow me. I tell you when to buy, when to sell, when to add, and when to run like hell. All I ask you to start making money, please remember St. Jude.
Don't wait. Join Phil's Gang today and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Philsgang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Philsgang MaxVest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Philsgang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy. Is your business prepared to respond to any emergency in the workplace? Well, you better be. Let over 30 years of law enforcement experience go to work for you. Boyd Investigative Group is here for all your business security needs. I know. I use them. They're terrific. Call today for your free confidential consultation. 941-724-4535. That's 941-724-4535. Or visit them on the website, BoydInvestigativeGroup.com.
License number A1900020.
Walking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party.
Welcome back. This segment is brought to you by the MaxVest 1000 stock charts. For more information, go to philsgang.com. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Okay, so, as I said to you, this doesn't have to be difficult. And this is something that you get your kids to do. Because in our country, our school system don't teach these kids anything about money, don't teach our kids anything about the stock market. I mean, who the hell cares when Alexander Graham Bell or Alexander the Fighter, what date they used to drive me nuts. That's why I quit school. Actually, I got thrown out. I was in high school for freshman for like 4 or 5 days, and I couldn't handle it. I had to go make money. I can't make money in high school. They give me a test, and all the questions are, when did so-and-so do this in Italy? When did so-and-so fight this battle? What the hell do I care about that? It's like 500 years ago. I got to make money now, brother. Are you kidding? I'm out of here. Goodbye. And that was the end of that. But anyways, I'm not telling you, please don't believe every kid should have a great education. I'm not saying that. I get you great education. You need a great education. There's no question. In this world, you got to have it. You couldn't do what I did. See, what I accomplished, I could do without an education. But things have changed now because they don't care anymore. There's no more common sense. Okay, everything is what degree do you have, not what degree common sense, not what degree of work ethic, not what degree of loyalty, not what degree of hard worker you are. Will you work weekends? Will you work on Saturday if you have to? See, in my day, that's what we did to build businesses. You worked 7 days a week. You didn't have time to go see grandma on a weekend, every weekend, get everybody in the car, let's go see grandma. Hey, grandma's not going to be around long. Well, your kids are. I got to make a living for them, keep them going. Hey, I love grandma, okay, but hey, she's on her last roller coaster. That's it. It's over when that stops. But your kids, they're building the roller coaster. So let's take care of that. And I think because schools don't educate our kids how to even write a check. No, kids don't even know how to count change. You ever notice? You go into the stores and the machine, this is how stupid we've gotten. The machine has to count the change. Tells them how much change to give back. If the machine breaks down, they're so screwed. We'd be in line for 2 days until they fix the machine, get our change, because they can't count change. They can't answer the phone. Well, probably because they can't hear because they put their phone up to their ear. They got all these earrings and things in their ears, so they probably can't get the phone close enough. But they can't, when they do answer the phone, like they're dead. Our school systems have gotten so bad. They should be teaching the kids how to write a letter. That's all. What's so hard about that? Teach them how to write a simple letter. Boy, these kids that sit down all day long, not just the kids, everybody, all day long, they text. It drives me nuts. You go down the street, nobody looks at each other anymore. Their heads are down. I swear I hear more ambulances every day here in Sarasota because everybody heads down and they walk right into a store wall or a window or something. I mean, their heads are, go look next time. No one is looking up anymore. Nobody. They don't look up. I'll tell you, the orthopedic surgeons must be having a ball making a fortune, all the neck problems. They only look down now. I don't know how I got on that. But I do know this, that we got to take care of our kids, and the best education for your kids is to get them to understand the stock market. It's better than real estate. It's better than anything. You know why? Because it's liquidity. What does that mean? You can buy a stock, and if you made a wrong decision, you can sell that stock in a split second with this little mouse. Split second. You can't sell your house in a split second. It's the best. So all you got to do, Wall Street makes it so complicated. Every day they bring these people on the air, right? On these fake business news networks like CNBC. And I'm so disappointed with I love Fox. But Fox Business, they're so phony. Are you kidding me? Phony. Totally lie to you every day. But you got to start depending on yourself. And all you have to do is just take a stock that has a lot of liquidity. Caterpillar. Make that one of your stocks in your portfolio. Follow that stock for 1 year. And the key is, when it goes up, and you think it's okay, it's time to sell it, it's going to start going down, 99.99999%, when they think it's going to go down, they get out, and they don't write it down. They go look for another stock to go up. How come you're always looking for stocks to go up? Here's the stock. It's 100% guarantee it's going to go down. And mentally in your head say, get me out, get me out, get me out before it goes down. Get me out, quick, get me out. How many times you coach your broker? Get me out, get me out. Well, you don't do brokers anymore. You do it online. Get me out, get me out. No, why get out? Just switch your position. And that's what we do here at Phil's Gang for you. Just show you how to switch your position. Simple color-coded chart. It's going up. It's green. Oh, starts turning red. That means the big institutions are pulling their money out. Oh, I'm going to listen to Kramer on the stock and tell me, how he interviewed the CEO and he knows him, he knows his family, he knows his kids, knows his uncles, knows his brothers. Are you nuts? When that stock starts, they pull the money out, it turns red. That tells me not only do we get out, but another opportunity to switch the position so when it goes down, you're making money. Nobody does that. As soon as they think, oh, my stock's going down, get me out, get me out, get me out. Instead of thinking, I'm going to switch my position. Isn't that silly? And that's why you can stay with 5 stocks all year and make more money than you ever made in the market or anything else. Because 5 stocks give you 10. But you get to know that stock so well. And I'm not talking about the free cash flow, margins, top line sales, equity. I'm not talking about that. Know it well as to when the big banks, the big insurance companies, the big pensions are putting money in Caterpillar. You can follow Caterpillar alone all year. One stock. I'm going to prove this to you. Just go to my site, philsgang.com, where it says Get Started. Click on Working Investor Package. Grab that. So easy. 10 days free. The $39.95 is the gang member. You get that free. The color-coded chart, MV2, that's $30. You get that free. So for 10 days, you can see if I'm full of crap or not. That's a pretty good deal. So I'll do that with you. All you got to make with me is one promise. As you start making money, will you please give some to St. Jude? Okay? All right. So we're at a point right now that you got to remember the market is stalled because one thing is our debt is so huge. Our budget deficits are a killer, but they never talk about that. And our trade deficit, or everything we import, remember, we import everything. We don't export anything anymore. So everybody's out there buying stuff for Christmas. Just remember, it's killing the economy. Well, how could that be if they're buying stuff? Because we're importing it. We're importing it all. That kills our economy when you keep importing this stuff, unless we make it here. But you know what? Let's not get into that. Here's all I want you to do. Join my gang. Follow my portfolio. Every day at 2 o'clock, we post online our member portfolio. Pick whatever stock or ETF you want and just do exactly what we tell you to do in that video based on the decisions we make. Our team make a decision every day before we post it based on our color-coded chart that you're going to come to love and depend on so much. All right. So, all the FANG stocks, the wonderful FANG stocks, it's over. And those FANG stocks is another reason why the market's not moving anymore. The FANG stocks, it's over. And I told you this on January 16, 2018. I said the market has crashed. As the market began its crash, and I said, December of 2018 is going to be the worst month of the crash, and I was right on. And I said, China is going to take us down the toilet, and the FANG stocks, because everybody's are in these FANG stocks. And when they bail out these FANG stocks, it's going to be just like someone screamed fire in a theater. This crash is going to be huge, but take it as an advantage. Join my gang. Do it right now. 10 days free. Just remember, help St. Jude. See you on the charts.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website,